The highlight of this thing is we have the iPhone 16 Pro Max, baby. Hey there, sibling. My name is Anita, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. If this is your first time, trust me, you're going to love it and you're going to be blessed by this channel. So we're happy to have you here. And if you're a returning subscriber, you're already part of this family. You know that you're already part of this family. So thank you so much for returning. Yeah, so today we're just going to have a twist because today we're going to be doing a lot of unboxing. I have like packages here. I have this one. I have one skincare. I have a package from AliExpress that I have not opened because I wanted to share it with you guys. Like, trust me, it was doing me gim to open, but I couldn't open it because I want to share it with you guys. And another one from AliExpress. This one from AliExpress, I've already opened it because I couldn't wait. And we have skincare from Tika 4 and makeup that we need to unbox. So this is something you're going to want to watch because I like unboxing. I know you like unboxing. So sit back, relax, and let's get straight into the video. I say we have a lot of products to unbox. I'm not even kidding. I don't know if you can see everything, but this is it. Oh, before it falls on my head, this is it. Oops. First one we're going to be going into is this one from AliExpress. This one from AliExpress. So today we're going to be talking about adulthood here. So we're going to be talking about adulthood. I feel like they don't prepare you enough for adulthood. I feel like no matter what they tell you, you're just definitely going to have to experience adulthood on your own and understand that. Chai! All those people that were growing up there and we're looking at if maybe they were enjoying. It's not as if they were suffering, but hey, I was just telling a friend of mine today that she wants to make a dress for me. I was like, I wish I can really advise children and tell them, please be sleeping when they tell you to sleep and be eating when they tell you to eat, because when you become an adult and you realize that again you're 100% responsible for whatever it is that happens to you. And this one, there's no mommy or daddy that is coming to save you, because how long are they going to save you? So that's one thing I've come to understand about adulthood. Like, you just have to figure it out by yourself. That's why I used to wonder people that do adulthood without God. Like, I really want to know. Like, I'm so interested. I want to know how, because I will not recommend you to do this adulthood without God. So this adulthood is something that you just learn so many things. You learn so many things on your own. So let's open this one. I don't know what's inside, but I think this should be my resistance band. So yeah, so what is that thing that you've really come to understand now as an adult that when they were telling you when you were small, then you did not really understand? Put it in the comment section below. I really want to know about it. So this is the resistance band. Okay, it's for working out. So let me open it so we can see it. Yeah, that one thing that when they were telling you that time you were doing as if, oh, maybe they were doing you bad things. See, okay, this is it. This is nice. The quality is really nice. Like, it's a very nice quality. Wow, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. So it's really very good. So let's go into the other one. The other one is this one. Are you sure we can keep up with this our adulthood conversation while doing this unboxing, guys? Please, let's bear with me. Like, this is the first time that I am doing it. Oh, this is supposed to. This is going to my iPad. This is supposed to be for my iPad. Yay! Let me try it, guys. Let me bring my iPad. So this is my iPad. Let's put it on it. What's it going to go for? This is how it looks like. But I'm scared that it's going to fall. Like, I'm scared that it's going to fall. It's actually sitting on it, but I will not risk it. I will not risk it. See, this is how it is on it. See it. But I won't risk it. I'm not going to risk it. So I feel like this is more like for phone. I can just put this phone on top than for my laptop, than for my iPad. Can you see it? Than for my iPad. It's too small for my iPad, and they told me it's iPad older, but it's no problem. It's strong, but for my iPad, I know could try them. Sorry, I can't try it. So yeah, let's continue our adulthood conversation. What's that one thing that when they were telling you about it when you were young, you did not stick to your brain until you became an adult yourself? What's that one thing I want to know? Because I feel like as much as we have different experiences, we still have similar experience. But when I speak to people and they're like, I'm like, that seems to happen to you too. So yeah, I really want to speak about it because see, this adults with them can never, I don't know what to say, but you can never be fully prepared for it. That's the reason why, again, you need to have God, because when you have God, when you have the Holy Spirit, the Holy Spirit has been here. God is the wisdom before time began. He was here before the world began, so he's able to help you know how to navigate life and how to do stuff. So that's it. This is the second thing we got. This one is it's for kickback at the gym. It's for kickback at the gym. You should know it. So this is how it looks like. It's for those kickback stuff at the gym. You put it like this, then use it for your kickback. Use it for your kickback. So yeah, so it's not bad. It's not bad. So the other one we're going to be unboxing is this one. I don't know if you guys are still enjoying this our Adulthood conversation, but honestly, it's not easy to shuffle between the both of them. But yeah, hey, the second one is this. I don't know this. What number are we now? Should be like the third one. Okay, this is the light. Okay, okay. Is this the brightness? Is this how much it can go? Okay, okay. It's quite small. It's quite small, but how much did I buy it again? I've forgotten, but I believe when everywhere is dark, I believe so. So yeah, this is it in case you want to get it. This is the lights. Yeah, so again, like I said, that's why you need God for adulthood, because without God even with God safe, now God the help us. Without God, who is helping you? Without God, it can be really, really tedious. So the next thing we're unboxing is this. I don't know what's here. Let me check it. Let me use my scissors to open it and see what's inside. So, oh, okay, yes, this stuff this is resistance band too for working out. Resistance band for working out too. It's nice. Like the quality is, one thing I've noticed is this AliExpress, the quality of their product is really nice. Like really, really nice. This one, the quality is so nice, so nice. I'm never going to lie. And the packaging is just it. Like packaging is really solid. So I'll give them a 10. I'll give them a 10. I'm never going to lie. I'll give them a 10. So the next thing that is going down is, I think this is my pouch for my iPad. So let's check it out. So let's check it out. Tell me that these people did not bring they didn't bring the wrong iPad case for me. Hey, so this is it. This is how it looks like. It looks like my old one. Looks like the old one I had before. So we're going to be unboxing this iPad case. It looks like the old one I had before. So and I just hope it's the same size. I just hope it's gonna fit it. So let's bring it out. It's not bad. Actually, it's not bad. This is it. Where's my iPad? This is the old one. This is the one I had before. This is the old one. So let's just hope that this thing is gonna fit. I believe it's gonna fit. So let's try it. That old case, that old pouch has tried. Has been it was, oh my god, like this is lovely. This is lovely. This is really lovely. Like wow. And the funny thing is, it sits. See it, guys, look at it. Can you see it? It just sits perfectly. Yeah, see, it sits. Wow. And it's even stronger than the one I had before. And the beautiful thing about this new iPad pouch is my what they call this thing again? Hey, my iPad. Oh my god, I know this thing now. And the beautiful thing about this new one is the iPad pencil can actually just come up here, which is so beautiful, because the old one, it was difficult. This is, I would recommend it. I will buy again and again and again. This is what I love. Like this is even stronger than the one I got. And this one, how much did I get this one? I can't really remember, but this is, I love the way it says up. The next thing we are unboxing is, I don't know what this is, but I mean, you will never know if you don't check. So let's check. Oh yeah, the screen guard, the screen protector. Wow, this is nice. I won't be able to open it now because I want to give it to the people that are going to help me fix it on my iPad. So this is screen protector for my iPad, and so far so good. Everything has been, what I ordered is what I got. I recommend. The products are very beautiful and I love the quality of them. So yeah, all the products didn't come at once because I think China is on holiday, so some products are still on their way. these two sunset lamp, I cannot actually use them right now because you're not going to see it. Everywhere is bright, so I'm maybe going to try and do a video at night for this particular one and add it to the clip. So that's it. Then the last one is lights. This is, I saw so many good reviews about it, and for a person that loves to buy lights, I say, okay, let me try it. And so my phone was overheating. I had to like turn it off and turn it back on. So yeah, the next thing we are unboxing is this light, and it's actually really beautiful. I have this one at home that got bad, so I put the stuff on it so that I can just place it on my phone. I'm coming, let me pick up my other phone, because the one that came with it, I don't think I'll be able to like put it on my phone. I don't know if you get the one that came with it. This is how it looks like. So I want something that I can just clip to my phone like this. Okay, let me clip it to my other phone, clip to my phone like this, and yeah, I'll get what I want here. So it's actually very bright. It's actually very bright. You can't see it because, but this is how it looks like. It actually really is. It's actually very bright, and yeah, I like it. It's a good buy. It's a very very good buy because it also has other light colors. Like, see, this is green. Just checking my palm. Then this is, I think this is another color. This is this one is changing for people that are photosensitive. I'm sorry, I don't know what they call it. So it's changing. It's actually giving different colors, and it's not bad. Like, it's actually not bad. I like it. So let me see what other colors. Then this one. So this is a good buy. It's a very good buy. So yeah, we're already done with the one from AliExpress. I'm never going to lie, guys, I forgot the story because I cannot be saying the story and be unboxing. It can be really confusing. So let's just continue with the unboxing. I guess we'll talk about the story another day. Skincare from Tika 4. So this is my skincare box. When I buy skincare, I buy a lot of skincare because I just like to have skincare for a long period of time. For like, I can buy for like the ones I'm going to use for 6 months. So this is one of such package. This is what's inside the box. What is inside the box? But I got this Olay body wash, this Dr. Teal body oil. I got 2 of them. Tiam B3 for brightening. I use it with my Garden of Wisdom Alpha routine. So I got this 3. It's going to last me for a long time. I got 2 toner. I like this toner, it's very hydrating. So yeah, I got this snail and azulene water essence. They're gonna last up to a year. Yeah, I'm very sure. Very sure. This one, I got this new body cream, this Olay vitamin C brightening lotion. I've heard really good things about it. Yeah, and I got sunscreen because sunscreen is very needed. I got sunscreen. I got 3 Skin Aqua, and like I said, I want to try out this sunscreen, so I got one of it. Yeah, so I'm gonna be vulnerable for a minute and tell you something. I didn't want to post this video. In fact, I didn't want to continue recording this video because I was like, oh, we're going to watch this thing, who's going to watch skincare, who's going to watch unboxing. But then I told myself, I need to relax. You already know what we said. We're doing things because we are happy to do it. If people watch it, fine. If they don't watch it, it doesn't mean that it's bad. It doesn't mean that it's useless. It's something you want to do, so put it out, not because you're too focused. Oh, I want people to. People are definitely going to watch it. So don't allow that, oh, are people going to watch it, stop you from doing what you truly want to do. Yeah, and this unboxing is something I really want to do. I really want to record it and post it because I want to share this moments like unboxing with you guys. Like, I told myself I'm not going to stop. I'm going to post it. I just want to be vulnerable and maybe speak to somebody that feels like, oh, they're working on an eggshell, they're content creation, they are trying to fit a certain type of audience. Relax and be joyful. Relax and just have fun. Relax and just do something that make you smile. Content creation is beautiful when you are doing this thing from the core of who you are, when you are incorporating your life into it, when people are saying who you are, not just a perfection or a type of person you paint yourself to be. So we're all humans, and if you decide that, oh, you want to go swimming tomorrow and you want to vlog about it, fine. Or if you decide that, oh, you want to go fishing tomorrow and you want to vlog about it, fine. It's what you love to do. So kill that mentality of you want to just let them become you. Sometimes just do it because you want to do it and because you're joyful about it. So for me, that's what this video is about, because I'm joyful about it. I want to just speak about like unboxing because I had a lot of things to unbox and I felt like it'd be nice to share it with my community on YouTube. So let's get straight into the other parts of the video. The last package we're going to be unboxing is actually a very awesome package. As you can see, it came on the 14th of January 2025. It actually came on the 15th of January 2025. That was on the day of my dad's remembrance. And I want you guys to guess what's in the box. Maybe you'd have seen this thing on the thumbnail or something, but yeah, so let's get straight into the video. Quick. So I have opened this box before because that's where I got my watch from. I used to use the old one, the old Apple Series 8. So I got a new one, so I had to. I actually didn't feel like unboxing the package yet, but I needed to use the watch. So you know this thing where you want everything is not content. So this is how the box is like. This is what is in the box. The watch strap is not even complete, but this is what is in the box. And guys, we have phone wallet. I have the charger. We have the MagSafe charger. Yeah, so I think I'm gradually entering into my tech review era. From my lips to God's ears. I have the Apple Watch Ultra. That is the one I'm wearing on my hand. So I already unboxed it, as you can see. And I have the case for the phone. See, I already broke this news before I broke the news. So the highlight of this thing is we have the iPhone 16 Pro Max, baby. I've got the iPhone 16 Pro Max. We've got the iPhone 16 Pro Max. I actually got it like a month ago, on the 15th of February to be a month ago, and God is good. God is actually so good. The screen protector. This is another band for my watch. And then this is the screen protector. So yeah, this is it. This is our unboxing for today. We had a great time unboxing today's unboxing. I don't know if I should open this my phone yet, so I'm actually thinking of doing a reel with it on my TikTok. So guys, that's it for today. I thank you so much for watching. Like I said, it's not like our normal video, but I mean, variety is the spice of life, like they would say. So if you guys want me to unbox the phone, let me know. But if I'm not unboxing it on YouTube, trust me, I'm definitely going to unbox it, and you're going to see the link on any of my social media platform at Anita Imatiko on TikTok, on Instagram. So do it to just check it out there. So I think it's safe to say we've come to the end of this unboxing video. It was certainly unboxing. We wanted to do adulthood, but you know, trying to talk about adulthood, trying to talk about unboxing and talk about the things I'm unboxing, it wasn't working, so I just had to stick with the unboxing. And yeah, like they say, variety is the spice of life. Come back next week, or maybe I don't know, I'm thinking of putting out 2 content a week. So if you have a date that you would want me to put out content, you can just put it in the comment section. If there's something you want me to talk about, the topic you want me to talk about, put it in the comment section. And so we've had a good time. I had a lot of, let me not say I had a lot of insecurity, but I was just feeling somehow recording this video because it's not what I regularly will record. But variety is the spice of life, and if you don't try, you don't know if you can do something. So I actually wanted to put on a turtleneck for this video because like I'm entering my Fisayo Fosido era where I review tech gadgets from my lips to God's ears. So my first tech gadget I'm reviewing for you guys is the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So if you want to go buy it, you're gonna enjoy it. So and the Apple Watch Ultra, it's so beautiful, such a beautiful watch. This is what I'm using. I cast my phone screen on it. It's a good one. Why am I advertising for Apple? Reach out to me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, drop a comment, and I'll see you in our next video.